President Cyril Ramaphosa has put out a statement on X where he's talking about our water infrastructure. And in the statement, he absolutely got ripped apart by people in the comments. And I actually want to read you the statement, very short statement, and then what some of the people have said. And you can tell me in the comments below this video how you feel about the situation. And this is on his personal X profile, Cyril Ramaphosa. Dear fellow South Africans, last week I spoke about our commitment to give effect to the constitutional right of access to water for all South Africans, with particular reference to communities that have remained underserved. Now, in the past, people needed to live close to water, walk to where there is water in a dam or river, or etc. And people used to fight over water rights back in the day. And now that governments control what is happening, most people have made themselves reliant on government to give them water, and that has not worked out so well in the case of South Africa. And you can tell me in the comments about your situation with regards to water supply. Many people in this community, and we have a large community of thousands of people, give me feedback on them often being without water for months on end. This past week we released the National Water Action Plan, another plan which sets out our government's determination to ensure that every community in our country has access to a reliable supply of quality drinking water, no matter where they live. Now, I don't know where they're going to get the money for this or how they plan on executing this, but our government is not good at implementing any plans, and until they do, the writing is on the wall. And at the moment, people understand that water is one of the most important supply issues for any kind of supply, because beside the air that we breathe, without water we die, because more than 70% of our body is made up of water. So the comments to the president's post are quite entertaining. In the first comment it says, "You are a joke. I left my beautiful country to seek employment abroad. I come home annually, if not twice a year. The rotting environment, the regression of humanity, a struggle for human rights." An Italian saying that holds true: a fish rots from the head, meaning that Cyril is at the head of the country. He's the first citizen, and therefore the country rots because of his inaction. Mr. President, doing and talking are two different things. You have been launching action plans for 32 years. Did you know that you are supposed to follow and implement the action plans you set out so graciously? Well, that depends on the type of action plan. We might not agree with those action plans at all, but this speaks to Cyril being involved from the very beginning. When Nelson Mandela became president in 1994, Cyril Ramaphosa was there. He was there all along. He was there when Nelson Mandela was released. Mr. President, it's 2026 and you are going on about supplying a basic life necessity and celebrating it like it's some kind of massive achievement. Your party's policies have been an ongoing failure for more than 30 years. We're sick of your beep. Step aside and let the people who actually know what they are doing take over these absolutely vital, extremely basic things like water. So people understand that it's vital, and I think people around the country are starting to get really concerned. The next person, Mr. President, you forever planning and barely implementing. The South African citizens want action, not words. And in a follow-up video, I will talk about AI data centers that were approved in the city of Cape Town and why the people have such a massive outcry against those data centers being built. So look out for that video in the end screen. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, consider becoming a member, click that bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos to support our work on the ground, and remember to leave that comment.